Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Toyota Tacoma headlight. Replacing a headlight can seem daunting, but with the right tools and a clear plan, it's a straightforward task. You'll need a 10mm socket, a ratchet, and a trim removal tool. Having a new headlight bulb or a full assembly ready is crucial. Remember to prioritize safety by wearing gloves and safety glasses throughout the entire process. Now let's get to accessing the headlight. First, pop open your truck's hood to give yourself ample workspace. Next, you'll need to remove the front grille, which is typically held in place by several push clips and a couple of 10mm bolts. After the grille is off, locate the headlight assembly's mounting bolts, usually 3 or 4 10mm bolts. You might also need to gently pull back a small section of the fender liner for better access. With the headlight assembly exposed, it's time for the swap. Disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the bulb or the entire assembly. If you're just replacing a bulb, remove the rubber dust boot and then release the metal retaining clip. Carefully pull out the old bulb. When inserting the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can cause hot spots. If replacing the whole assembly, simply mount the new unit. You're almost done. Now let's put everything back together. Reconnect all electrical harnesses to your new headlight. If you replaced a bulb, ensure the rubber dust boot and retaining clip are properly seated to protect against moisture. Carefully slide the headlight assembly back into its position and secure it with the 10mm mounting bolts. Finally, reattach the front grille, close the hood, and test your new headlight to ensure it's working and properly aimed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.